7 minutes. Ito na yung mga handa namin, guys. This is our food. Simply lang, we have the ribs, pancit for a long life. This is prosperity bowl, and this like fruits.
You guys gonna do this way?
Hi guys, we're here at the Blackbird. CEO of Hyatt House. Today is January 1st, guys. We're gonna have some dinner here, di ba? Fancy. I'm just gonna take some menu over here. Seafood yun eh. Food is here. We got some duck fried rice, the dumplings, and the octopus. That's my Angela tonight. Bon appetit! Angela got some. Enjoy! Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for the food. Bless 2026. Amen. Okay. Got to the sauce. Yeah.
Pwede mo siya eat ng as is, no?
Oo, na ganito lang. Hirap lang talaga mag-chopstick ng rice, guys. Tapos yung crab parang masyadong marami. Sweet yung duck.
Mahal ka na ang duck.
Parang ito na din yung duck na ano nila, binibenta nila.
Wala na. Hindi na buo yung duck dun sa ano.
Kinuha ng other part. Wow. Thank you so much.
Thank
Happy 2026. Happy New Year. Blessed and glorious 2026. Ang haba ng creme brulee.
Day, ang haba.
The creme brulee is creme brulee. Ang haba na. Like, this is the creme brulee dessert that we got tonight from the Blackbird. 2, 3.
Dito. Ayusin mo na.
Ano to? Longest line? Ooh. Tapos ito yung ano. Wow. Ay.
Dami.
Sige na. Sige na. Touch move.
Yun ang na-touch pan na eh. Sige, di ba rin?
2026. Fortune cookie, day 1. Uy, may day
This is something that I need pushing out.
This is something that I need right now. Huy! nakikita ko na yung happy.
Ako din. Parang same lang to.
Happiness is having a terrible memory for a bad moment.
Dahil wala tao.
Ayan na.
Balik tayo na wala tayo.
Billings na guys. Hi guys, so we are going to the Naples Pier to fireworks. Dito na kami sa beach. Dito na oh. The sunset is right there. Ang daming tao guys kasi may fireworks nga. It's 6. So just gonna take some photo first.
Sitting here where the sun sets low, golden rays painting skies of gold. Memories float like wisps of smoke, whispers from days ago. Betray a story every day, echoes of laughter, tears too. The world slows down, time to blow. In this moment I am sunset falls to late. Nostalgia's touch, but don't you know? Hope is waiting just beyond the sky. Every end starts again. Night draws near, promises made.
Tapos na! Yay!
Guys,
Guys, ang dilim!
tomorrow